Okay, guys. Doi Suthep, Chiang Mai. This is the top of the mountain. Well, not the top of the mountain. The parking area. Now we got to go up the stairs. Going to be an experience. It's quite a nice drive coming up here. These guys came on a mountain bike. There's a lot of people walking, running, and biking up that mountain. More power to them. I'm not doing it. It's a long way and it's very steep. Nice drive though. Really nice drive. Okay, let's get going. The views up the top is supposed to be spectacular. Look at these flowers. See that? Who's that? Tons of them on there. Very cool. Busy place? Yeah, a little bit. I'm sure it gets a lot busier. They're well trained. If you want to take their picture or get your picture taken with them, you have to pay. Look at this. Looks like the boss has paid. See, they love it though. The kids just love it. But here, you gotta take your shoes off and then go inside. Haven't been inside yet. It's just constantly people trying to sell stuff, huh? And that's the reason everyone comes here.
Cái mà mình thứ hai này sẽ tầm một nha. Nè. Ini.
Signer 5 personnes, 10 personnes pour avoir la chambre. Pour restaurer tout ça, pour payer les chambres, gamala, tout ça. On a fait tout ça, même l'entrée, on a payé l'entrée des dons. Vous avez déjà fait des dons. L'entrée, c'est les dons. Vous allez faire avec les cœurs, vous venez les gens pour restaurer tout ça. Partout, on a monté là.
I've never seen the sitting Buddha with a blue paint before. That's different. This must be the prime photo spot. It's a competition. Who's going to get there first?
phía trên chắc là ngồi xuống á. Dạ, còn một hàng ngồi, một hàng ngồi. Rồi tay để trước ngực dạ,
cho em một chỗ ở giữa nha, em ngồi vào giữa nhá.
Look at this.
chờ em nhá, bình tĩnh. Chị Đức vào đi, chị Đức vào đi.
More people are taking a picture of this dog than anything else, I think. Look at that. Popular dog, that one. Busiest place here. Bathrooms. Most temples have a lot more stairs than this, actually. Not bad, this one. Okay guys, that's it. Interesting place, not what I was expecting, but it is a tourist trap. I was expecting that, that's for sure. I've showed nothing of the amount of people asking for money. Then you got all these places here. I've showed very few of these places, but once you get down the bottom here, there are hundreds of them. These little stores selling little trinkets and touristy stuff. This is a tourist trap, big time. Big time. Up to you if you come see it. Up to you if you want to be a part of it. For me, it's an okay temple. I've seen a lot better in a lot nicer places. But this is the biggest tourist trap one I've ever been to. That is some tree, let me tell you what. It's a nice temple, but a lot smaller than I thought. Not what I was expecting, really. And there's no views or anything off the top. These girls, these little kids, very well trained. That's for sure. Their parents are here as well. They're all asking for money. Come take my picture. They love to get their picture taken. And they all got their little purse where they put their money. They're making more money than the CEO of a bank would make. They're all in the cash. Let me tell you what. Just from what I've seen, and it's not busy here today like it normally is, as far as I can tell. You know, all these hundreds and hundreds of stores. Just look down through here. There's tons of them, and there's way more beyond that. This place must get really, really busy. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. A lot more information and pictures in the blog post link in the video description. And as always, thanks for watching.